Indic's engineering services operate on a mission to deliver innovative, value-adding solutions to its customers. With a focus on quality and excellence, Indic has the best-in-class product development services. Our team of engineers leverages emerging technologies with human factor engineering to design systems for industrial, medical, and defense sectors. Our expertise in the field of automation delivers high-quality, high-precision custom equipment by designing advanced technology capable of working with micron-sized features. Indic tailors the development process and the hardware, software, and mechanical design aspects of the product to meet your company's requirements and to satisfy the latest market demands. Indic adopts the test strategy most suitable to the product and provides functional testing, specialized testing, and validation services to ensure that the product meets all the field requirements. Indic's engineering team can integrate with your teams and work as an extension, providing the development and design expertise you need and cutting short your time to market. For innovative engineering solutions, contact Indic now.